Hello everyone, in this video I will show you the function of overdrive. Overdrive is a unit fitted between gearbox and propeller shaft to permit propeller shaft at higher speed than that in top gear. Overdrive permit engine to operate about 70% of propeller shaft speed when vehicle is operating in higher speed range. Generally, overdrive is fitted to operate only in top gear, but in some sports car, it can operate in second gear, third gear and top gear. Most of overdrive has epicyclic gear arrangement that includes hydraulic operated cone clutch. Here, planet carrier is connected to input shaft and ring gear is connected to output shaft. In order to achieve overdrive, sun gear rotation forced to stop. Due to this, input shaft drives the planet carrier and planet carrier drives the ring gear. Ring gear is connected to output shaft. Due to this, output shaft turns faster than input shaft. The effect is that output shaft turns faster than input shaft. Now we see the advantages. It reduces vibration and noise. Overdrive is easy for engagement and disengagement. It reduces engine wear and tear.